Here it comes.
Welcome to the Forestry Power. Today, we'll explore the fascinating world of tree cutting and the risks involved. These moments remind us of the importance of being cautious and prepared. Safety equipment is crucial, as situations like these can lead to unexpected expenses, such as repairing a damaged house. Seeing accidents like these sends shivers down my spine. It's scary to think about the consequences. Oh my goodness, I had to hold my breath watching this. The scene was so intense and dangerous, I couldn't help but feel the tension.
Here it is. Here it comes.
Seriously, no amount of money could make me take on a job like this. I have immense respect for the people who do it.
Oh, watch out. Here it goes. And it's going the wrong way. Oh my gosh. Well, I don't think I got that, but that was not good at all.
After witnessing this, I think the individual involved might consider starring in a high-stakes action movie.
Oops. Oh, man.
Just when everything seems to be going smoothly, something unpredictable happens, turning the situation upside down. My heart was pounding. It felt like it was about to leap out of my chest. The sudden tension in that scene took my breath away. Next time, I bet the golden rule will not be forgotten. The sight alone was enough to send chills down my spine. The courage and skill required to safely cut down trees are extraordinary. This particular mishap turned into a dramatic fail. Despite careful preparation, the tree had a mind of its own and retaliated.
Oh shit.
Miscalculations led to significant damage, leaving the house in need of rebuilding. Trees may appear harmless, but one wrong fall can have severe consequences. Our neighbors might seem friendly, but their actions, like this one, can certainly test your patience. Watching this unfold, I couldn't help but think, oh my goodness. It seems the truck met its match, a stronger opponent.
Oh my god.
This incident highlights that simplifying the job isn't always possible.
Keep going! Just go all the way with it! Keep going! Faster! Go! Oh, shit! Go!
There it goes. I don't know if I got it all.
Combining a tractor, trailer, and chainsaw demonstrates the impressive power of modern technology in logging. However, cutting a tree perfectly requires careful preparation, precision, and a bit of luck to ensure it falls in the right direction.
There goes the tree. There goes the tree. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Seeing a tree cutting process go smoothly is truly an art form. For tree cutters, constant vigilance and preparation are essential to ensure safety on the job. In one instance, using a cart to pull a tree resulted in an unexpected outcome. The tree retaliated in its own way.
Looks like it's got stuff in the dark. Yeah, it does. He's crazy.
Screw that bit up. Oh, it's starting to fall. Falling. Falling. Oh, shit.
Is it?
Yeah, falling. Oh,
Yeah.
it's right now.
Oh, crap.
This person's humor is remarkable, despite the challenges faced. Accuracy is key when felling a large tree.
What is that going to do to that? Io mi prende no, porta, no, togli, non la
It's always better to take your time and be cautious, as even small mistakes can lead to unforeseen consequences. Safety should always come first. Careful planning, proper pruning techniques, and precise cuts are crucial to reducing risks and protecting oneself while working with large trees. One tree seemed to be mocking the cutter, as if to say, "I won't fall." The massive stump looked like a monster, making the task even more daunting. Wow, what a thrilling moment. When everything appears under control, trees and the environment often present unexpected challenges. Cutting down an old palm tree looked like a fall party in the sky. A handsaw proved to be a useful tool, and tech enthusiasts might appreciate its versatility. However, the dangers were apparent. A tree falling onto a power line could have had catastrophic consequences. Thankfully, the line held, sparing further damage. This unfortunate incident highlights the need for technical expertise, extreme caution, and proper safety equipment in this industry. A warm hug for the hardworking professionals, but sympathy for the homeowner, who now faces a loss. Hopefully, their car is insured.
Sí. Ήταν αυτό, ρε.
This seemed like a battle between two heavyweights, with both sides ultimately losing. Who would have thought a fallen tree could wreak such havoc, taking out a roof in the process? The homeowner might be thinking, well, today is tree day.
Oh shit.
When you hire a tree removal service and the tree refuses to cooperate, the result can be dramatic.
Ahora sí, póngalo rápido. Para que no se reviente la que llamaron.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.